So these are the diagrams which are showing you the three different types of alternation of generation. Yes, haplontic, haplodiplontic and diplontic. Let us understand what is the basic difference. Diagram से और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. Yes, first haplontic, name itself suggesting haplontic, that means dominant phase will be haploid phase. ज़्यादा जो टाइम है प्लांट की लाइफ में वो रहेगा हैप्लॉइड फेज का. ठीक है, देखते हैं. हियर गेमिटोफाइट हैप्लॉइड है. यस, थ्रू माइटोसिस इट इज फॉर्मिंग गैमीट्स, and if mitosis is taking place, then definitely the ploidy will remain same of parent and daughter cells. Yes, so here haploid gametes are formed through mitosis. Let me write here, mitosis is taking place. Okay, yes, definitely. Now gametes are ready. Gametes will fuse, fertilization will take place, fuse to form single cell, and that single cell is called as zygote, because N and N both are fusing. The ploidy of zygote will be diploid. Yes, zygote is diploid. Now as soon as zygote is formed, it will undergo meiosis very rapidly. Okay, yes, as soon as it is made, it undergoes meiosis. We all know meiosis is reductional division. Reductional division means the ploidy of daughter cells will be half as of parents. Yes, parent से जो ploidy होगा वो half हो जाएगा daughter cells के अंदर. तो here zygote diploid है, it undergoes meiosis and it will lead to the formation of meiospores. Yes, it will lead to the formation of meiospores. See, I have written meiospores are haploid in nature. Yes, because meiosis has occurred. Now these meiospores will germinate to give rise again haploid gametophytic plant body. Okay, yes, so this is the cycle again continues. Here we can see that the diploid phase, sporophytic phase as such is not existing here. The only existence of diploid phase is in the form of zygote only, and that too for very short time. Okay, so that's why the most of the time the plant body will remain in haploid phase, haplontic type of life cycle. Yes, very easy. These two we have already discussed: gametophyte, haploid, sporophyte, diploid, how to interconvert them, fertilization and meiosis. Mitosis is also there, but meiosis takes place when you need to change the ploidy. Okay, so that is haplontic. Coming to example will take later. First let us understand all the three types of alternation of generation. Okay, coming on to second, haplodiplontic type of alternation of generation. Both the terms are there, haplo and diplontic. Haploid and diploid, both the phases are equally present in plant's life cycle. Yes, now if both are present, then we cannot say which we cannot differentiate on the basis of dominance. All right, although we will differentiate, but in general the definition of haplodiplontic doesn't concern with the dominance or the time, the duration of phase. Okay, so in haplodiplontic we'll consider the cellularity of plant, both the phases. Here gametophyte and sporophyte, both are multicellular. Yes, here you can see sporophytic phase very limited, single cell or few cell zygote. That's why this is haplontic major and not diplontic. Here both the phases, gametophytic and sporophytic, they are multicellular. That's why haplodiplontic category it is. Okay, you can easily elaborate that what happened in haplodiplontic, which one is dominant, which one is not dominant, like that. So dominancy is considered, but not up to that extent. What is considered here? Cellularity. Gametophyte, it is also multicellular. It is producing sex organs onto it, and these sex organs ultimately produces gametes. Now you can easily guess from gametophyte to sex organ and finally to gametes, which type of cell division is taking place here? Mitosis, because the ploidy is same. So here we can write mitosis is taking place here. Okay? All right. Now these gametes are ready. They are haploid. They will fuse to form zygote here. Just like here in haplontic, it is also going. Right? No other change. But after the formation of zygote, यहाँ पर change आएगा. ठीक है? क्या change आएगा? Immediately zygote के formation के बाद meiosis नहीं होगा. तो meiosis कब होगा? Meiosis बाद में होगा, पहले अभी mitosis ही करते हैं. This zygote will undergo mitosis. Mitosis, the ploidy will remain same. 2n, 2n. It undergoes mitosis and will form sporophyte. The ploidy of sporophyte will be diploid. Okay? Now, this sporophyte will develop sporangia onto it. Sporangia are what? These are the spore bearing structure. Inside to them spores are produced. इनके अंदर ही spores produce होते हैं. Right? चलिए जी, sporangia बन गया. अभी तक माइटोसिस ही हो रहा है यहाँ पर भी, इसीलिए प्लॉइडी यहाँ पर भी सेम है. All right? Now inside sporangia, now meiosis will take place. Meiosis will take place. And we all know whenever meiosis will be there, reductional division will be there. There will be diploid will form haploid products, haploid cells. So here the spore produced inside sporangia will be having haploid ploidy. Okay? Yes. Now these haploid spores will germinate to give rise to again haploid gametophyte. During germination, which type of cell division is taking place here? Definitely mitosis. Ploidy is same, that's why. Okay? So again, plants enter in gametophytic phase. Again the same process goes on. Here gametophyte is multicellular and sporophyte is also multicellular. Okay? Yes. So that was haplodiplontic. Example I will show you next in the end. Coming to the last type of alternation of generation, that is diplontic type of alternation of generation. What happened here? Definitely here we can consider the dominance. The diploid phase is dominant. It will remain there in plant's life for a longer period of time. ज़्यादा समय तक डिप्लॉइड फेज में प्लांट रहेगा. हैप्लॉइड फेज जो है वो बहुत ही कम होगी. ओके? चलिए जी, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं डिप्लॉइड फेज से ही. डिप्लॉन्टिक है, स्पोरोफाइट है यहाँ पर, स्पोरोफाइटिक बॉडी. ये स्पोरोफाइटिक बॉडी डिप्लॉइड होती है. सॉरी. Sporophytic body will develop sex organs onto it directly. Yes, it is surpassing gametophytic body, gametophytic phase, because it is diplontic. The major part will remain in diploid phase. So it will develop sex organs onto it, and these sex organs with the help of meiosis leads to the formation of haploid gametes. Yes, these gametes will be haploid. And which division is taking place in sex organs? Meiosis. Meiosis is taking place in sex organs. So definitely अब तक तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा, हमने इतनी बार लिख दिया माइटोसिस मियोसिस के बारे में. यहां पर मियोसिस हुआ है तो डिप्लॉइड पेरेंट से क्या बनने वाले हैं? हैप्लॉइड गैमीट्स. नाउ गैमीट्स आर रेडी. गैमीट्स अगेन फ्यूजेस टू फॉर्म डिप्लॉइड zygote. Zygote will again germinate, grow to form diploid sporophyte. What type of division? Here again mitosis will take place. Ploidy will remain same. Mitosis है तो yes. As you can see here, haploid phase is very short lived. All right, major part of plant life cycle is in diploid phase. That's why this type of alternation of generation is called as diplontic type of life cycle. Okay, or diplontic type of alternation of generation. Okay.